Xiaomi has launched its new smartphone globally called Xiaomi 12 Lite, and it is the successor of the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G smartphone that was launched back in September last year. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi 12 Lite features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it also supports Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Xiaomi 12 Lite supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 108MP main camera with Samsung HM2 sensor plus 8MP ultra wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front, it has 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with Samsung GT2 sensor, and it also has soft glowing dual LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The device comes equipped by a large 4300 mAh battery that supports 67W fast charging, and it runs on latest Android 12 based on MIUI 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.3 by 73.7 by 7.29mm, and it weighs around 173 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi 12 Lite has been priced globally for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at $399. While the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at $449, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at $499. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders globally via Xiaomi authorized online channels in light pink, light green, and black color options. So what do you guys think of the Xiaomi 12 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.